Some animals look normal in photos until you see them next to a human. Take crocodiles. Most people think they're only a little bigger than us, but the largest crocodiles can grow over 20 feet long, heavy enough to crush a boat like it's nothing. And then there's the polar bear. In the empty Arctic, they don't even look real. When one stands up, it can reach nearly 13 feet tall with paws powerful enough to break through ice and bones at the same time. But moose are somehow even creepier in person. You think they're just big deer until one walks past a tree and suddenly looks like a moving truck with antlers. Even wolves can fool you. A North American gray wolf doesn't look like a dog at all. Broad shoulders, piercing eyes, and a body built to survive anything. And the scary part is, these are just the animals humans manage to photograph.